today I'm going to talk about marshmallow test. Have you heard about it? It's quite interesting test, and this is the need of the day as well, which always I think that need of the day. In 1960, a person conducted this test and his name was Walter Mischel. He was USA psychologist, and the way he conducted that was also quite interesting, and he gave this name marshmallow test. The test was that he collected around 100 students, and these all were belonged to preschool, quite small in age, and he gave them marshmallows. He put marshmallow in front of them. And the task was that till 20 minutes they have to control themselves. If they control themselves and they won't eat it, they will get another marshmallow as a reward. So, and he said that I would leave the room, I won't be here, but some invigilators would be there to look after you or to observe you especially. So he left the room. Out of these 100, whatever the percentage was, I'm not going in that detail that 10%, 9%, 11%, whatever. The children who are found with marshmallows, they were rewarded. And those who ate it, there were some analysis which were made by Walter Mischel. He said that those who could not control till 20 minutes in that age, further, they can't be successful person in their life because that test was based on self-control, which is in the end of his research, he actually, this research was not ended up over there. He gave another 30 years to complete that research. He waited for the complete results. And these results were based on self-reporting. The children who spent their life on this planet after 30 years, they reported, and the success or the progress they made in the life, it was like it was the part of that report. And in the end of the report, he is writing that self-control is the key to both academic and personal success. So if we relate this example or experiment in our current life, we all know that self-control is needed for each person. Either he or she is in class, junior class, middle section, higher school, in practical life, or we are adults, right? So self-control is the thing. When we talk about others, we give long lectures on it, that he has no self-control or he has no control on emotions, feelings, come what may. But the thing is that do we understand that what we are doing, what contribution we are giving to the society? As a teacher, are we preparing students so that they should be better person with their self-control? Another day I shared with you that there are total 27 emotions, and the strongest emotion is anger. Research says that if you control any of your emotions 12 to 15 minutes, you will be a successful person. Come what may the emotion is, it's happiness, anger, whatever. 12 to 15 minutes, first 12 to 15 minutes are really important for each person to control his or her emotion. So being a teacher, please think that are we training our students from preschool even? Don't think that preschool children don't need such kind of trainings. They also need it. Primary section, lower primary, upper primary, middle section. In all ages, this is needed. And another research says that it doesn't mean the emotions or the things or the development of the personality, if this is not done till class 5 or the age of 5, it can't be done later. It can be done later anytime, even in the adults. The only thing is determination. So if you feel that children you are having of 6th class, 7th class, 9th class, now it's useless to work on these children, this is a useless thought. Thank you so much.